the house, in the streets, in our school, everywhere and everything that I could think of produces sound. Just like music and talking, the sound of animals and machines. Sound is indeed a very important part of our everyday life. So what is sound? Sound is a vibration or a wave that travels through three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The air around us has tiny particles. When something vibrates, they bump into each other, and then it travels into our ears. And that's how we make a sound. For example, I stretch a rubber band into an empty can. Did you hear a sound? If you look closely, you can see it vibrating. Vibration means back and forth movements or something just like this. If you stamp it gently, the sound is soft. But you stamp it a little bit harder, the sound is loud. But do you know that you can't only hear a sound, but you can actually see it? Are you ready? Let's get started. I have here a bowl with a plastic on top. And then I have rice, a metal spoon, and a metal tray. What I am gonna do is put the rice on top of the bowl, on the plastic bowl. And then I'm spreading it. That I am gonna do is I'm gonna hit the tray, a metal tray in the metal spoon, just like this. Did you see the rice vibrate? Move. How did this happen? A loud music produces noise which vibrates. That makes the air vibrate as well. That's what we call sound waves. When these waves hit the plastic wrap, it will vibrate. And that makes the rice move. Amazing, right? So now whenever you hear a sound, you know something or somewhere is vibrating. And those vibrations are traveling into the air, into our ears. And that's all for today. Bye!